Hi guys, here's another video. So I haven't done a video for 3 weeks or 2, and I've been working on this in my Minecraft world and pretty much made my hidden inside Newberry world a much cleaner space so I can put my other hidden assets. But right now today's video is gonna focus on this. This is 3. We are on what page are we on? Step 124. It's been a big seed. We just can't find the 1 by 3 tile. Not tile. Brick with the like this color. And One. If I didn't look over here on my table, I would have never saw that. All right. 1 more to go. If you hear that sound again, not from there, but from the table, I'm sorry. My phones do that sometimes. I report on my phone. Here's the thing again. We have Lego batteries, which not that kind which you can move your trains, but the minifigure kind of battery is this kind. This looks like the mini battery for this, but it's actually a big one for minifigures where it's the same size as their hands. Minifigures aren't that big, which means, yeah. Alright, this video is probably gonna end at 4 minutes at the most. 3 minutes at the oh my. Go. Don't step on Legos. It hurts. But I can. It doesn't hurt for me, which means, I don't know. Okay. This looks pretty good. We did it over here, and back over there. But we're still doing the signage. After the signage, I think we're over with this, and maybe we can build something else new. Not like old and finding these pieces, very, very rare ones, and very, very... Oh, who did... Okay, someone just found that. Probably my dad. Okay. Alright. Oh, if you know this set for sure, tell me in the comments. I forgot the number. I forgot the number. And then I'm lazy, so I don't want to go in the blueprint and search for the number. So tell me if you know the set and give me the number. I have my own livestock Emmett in this set, I know. But it's not really livestock Emmett. And it looks pretty good. We made a total succeed. And wait, what? I just found 2 of them. Look. What? Oh my gosh. Alright, okay, fine. The maximum of today's video is 5 minutes. Alright. I just found this. If I never checked over here or double check over here, we will never find those 2 bricks. I mean, really. Alright, I think I am gonna make the video for final explanation next maybe tomorrow because we're finishing fast. Super duper fast. Alright. So maybe I'll make the next finishing video, which means review. Maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, which is Monday. May. Yeah. And Monday is Memorial Day, of course. And we're almost done. Just a few more. I think 20, 30 more pages, 20 more pages, and then we're done. And maybe I can even do the review today or tomorrow's morning. And alright, this is 6 hours. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like on it, subscribe, and hashtag squad so you can join our squad member. And I'll see you guys today. I don't want to scream. I will see you guys next time.